To keep Wi-Fi and mobile data on when your Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra is locked, you have to enable lock network and security option. To do so, swipe down the top of the screen and then tap setting icon. Scroll down the screen to find lock screen and AOD. Tap lock screen and AOD and then tap secure lock setting. Next, enter your current screen lock as the example. Since this phone is using pattern, then draw the pattern. And then tap the gray on off switch next to lock network and security until the switch turns blue to turn it on. When this option is on, your phone will prevent Wi-Fi and mobile data from being turned off when your phone is locked. This option comes handy when you lose or forget where you place your phone, because it will let you use Find My Mobile that need to use internet connection to locate and control your phone remotely. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.